Hi everyone, welcome back to another video and I hope you all are doing well. These days we have been eating jackfruits which our parents had brought from Kerala. A few more were left and my husband was still craving his favorite jackfruit dish. As we woke up, he insisted on preparing it, so mom and him both began chopping the ripe jackfruit. I have shown the complete recipe in my previous video. This might not look very tempting for those who haven't tried it, and even if you have tried it once, you might not enjoy it so much that you want to have it more. You need to have it at least 2 or 3 times to love it. That's how it was for me. There was some Kerala puttu left from the previous dinner. As I had kept it in the fridge, I steamed it and I ate my breakfast soon because I was feeling hungry. On this day, my elder son Rihan's dear friend's mom sent us this homemade plum cake. It's Christmas and it's cake season. I love plum cake and this tasted so good. Much better than store-bought. I sliced it and kept it on the table so all could have it whenever needed. Parents enjoyed having it. Now these days I don't go grocery shopping. I order online and it's life-saving. Even otherwise I don't enjoy grocery shopping. Rihan's friend's mom had also sent these moringa leaves and the drumsticks. Very healthy one. We'll show you some lunch preparation in another video. On weekend, we went out with our parents to our favorite spots for eating out. For breakfast, my father-in-law couldn't come as he had an online meeting to attend and even kids were asleep. So we three went to Arya Bhavan, our favorite spot for veg breakfast. On the same day, we went to Foodlands for lunch where we get good Kerala meals. Later took them for some shopping at Lulu. Now on the next day for lunch, we ate at Kaili Palace restaurant, our another favorite spot for Kerala cuisine. Here we get a curry, vanji kootu. It tasted too good the first time we tried it, so we wanted to bring parents here for sure as we knew they would enjoy the dish. Next day was Sunday and mom had already prepared upma for breakfast. Now parents wake up early and they sleep early. They already had their breakfast before us. And I wanted to prepare something special for them. My father-in-law eats only seafood as non-veg, so to make one dish for all, I prepared prawns biryani. Got fresh prawns from a fish shop where we usually buy. To 1.5 kilo prawns, I marinated them with turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and salt. Kept it aside. Now prawns cook fast, so everything was done parallelly. And I did mention earlier I have a helping sister coming home for cooking. I asked her to chop and keep everything ready for me. I can't stand in the kitchen for a very long time now, so cooking will be easier if all the chopping part is done. I first prepared the ghee rice. For the whole spices, I used cardamom, cinnamon, cumin seeds, mace, cloves and bay leaves. Heat some ghee in a cooking pot. Add the whole spices and mix for a few seconds till you hear popping and crackling sounds. Add a handful of sliced onion and saute for just a minute. Now add washed and drained rice. Here I've used Jeerakashala rice. Roast this for a few minutes on low-medium flame. Add boiling water. Here I used 5 cups rice and added 9 cups water. Add salt, mint leaves and coriander leaves. To add some color, you may add a handful of sliced carrots. Mix and cover with the lid. Now as this has already started boiling, reduce the flame to low-medium and cook till all the water evaporates. In a bigger pot, I will be preparing the prawns masala. Heat some oil and ghee. Then add sliced onion and saute till it's almost fried. Adding a few curry leaves enhances the flavor. Rice is done. Gently mix the rice and keep aside. To this goes in ginger garlic green chili paste. Cook till the raw smell goes. This is done, and now into this goes tomatoes. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder and black pepper powder. Mix well for a few minutes. Add salt, then goes enough mint and coriander leaves. To this add 1½ cups curd. Mix well. Now add the marinated prawns. Cover and cook the prawns for 5 minutes. Add lemon juice and mix well. Now this is done. Time to layer the rice, but before that I'll take out half the masala. On top of this, layer half of the rice. On top, spread the prawns masala that was kept in the bowl. Layer the rest of the rice. Sprinkle some fried onion, coriander leaves and some garam masala powder. Cover and cook on high flame first for 1 or 2 minutes. Then reduce the flame to very low and cook for 10 minutes or till the steam comes through. This is done and it's time for serving. Do try this flavorful biryani. My family enjoyed having it and I'm sure you too will love it. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.